Welcome. Today we are continuing with KCSE paper 1. That is KCSE paper 1 2012 part B. That was question 3B. Life skills used by Prophet Elijah to fight against false religion. Assertiveness. He told Ahab that he was the cause of trouble in Israel. Creative thinking. He requested a contest between the prophets of Baal and himself. Decision-making. He killed the prophets of Baal. Self-esteem. He was convinced that God was on his side. Negotiation. Elijah asked the Israelites to choose between God and Baal. Conflict resolution. Through the contest, he convinced the Israelites that Yahweh was the true God. Effective communication. He explained how the contest was to be carried out to the people. Self-awareness. He knew that he was the prophet of the true God, and that's why he had confidence in himself. Question 3C. Problems faced by church leaders in carrying out their work. They received threats from their opponents. They lack financial assistance. There is lack of cooperation from church members. There is rivalry among the leaders. They may not be good role models. They may suffer from long separation from their families. There is misinterpretation of the biblical theology from different sources. Greed for property. They may be posted to hostile working environment. There is political interference in their work. They may lack adequate skills for carrying out their work. Permissiveness in the society. Corruption. Rejection. Question 4A. Reasons why Amos was against worship of God in Israel. The Israelites had neglected God. They practiced insincere worship. The worshippers were not righteous. They mistreated fellow Israelites. They worshipped God as well as Baal. They were very impatient during the worship ceremony. That is, they wanted to go back to their businesses. They gave offering as a show-off. They had many ceremonial festivals. They showed disrespect to the name of God through sexual immorality. They defiled the place of worship. That is, they drank wine in the worship area. Building high places for the gods and worshipping other gods. 4B. Ways in which God would punish Israel for her evils according to Prophet Amos. An enemy nation would surround Israel. The Israelites would be taken to exile. Amaziah, the priest, would die by the sword. The holy place of worship would be destroyed. The land would be occupied by a foreign nation. There would be hunger for the word of God. God would cover the land with total darkness. There would be earthquakes. 4C. How the church punishes errant members. The church suspends them. It denies them participation in church activities. They may be denied leadership positions. They may be publicly condemned. They may be warned. Some may be transferred to difficult areas. They may be sacked from the job. They may be excommunicated. Payment of fines. 5A. Qualities of God from the call of Prophet Jeremiah. God is the creator. God knows every person by name. God is a planner. God is holy. God punishes evil. God is just. He is caring. God is merciful. God is universal. God is a protector. He is powerful. He is beyond human understanding. He is everywhere. 5b. The characteristics of the new covenant foreseen by Prophet Jeremiah. The laws would be written in the hearts of men and women. Every individual will know God individually. It would be an everlasting covenant. There would be suffering for one's sins. God would forgive their sins. It would be established after God's punishment to Israel. It would establish a new Israel. It would be initiated by God. 5c. Ways in which Christians can assist victims of disasters: by donating food, clothing for them, by providing shelter for them, by settling them in safe areas, by offering guidance and counseling, through health care, by reuniting them with their families, by providing financial assistance, by taking preventive measures against future disasters, through visiting them, praying for them, preaching to them. 6a. Ways in which people in traditional African communities communicate with God. They make sacrifices to God. They dance for God. They say prayers to God through invoking God's name. They give offerings through burning incense. 6b. Reasons for singing and dancing during initiation ceremonies in traditional African communities. The song informs the participants of the history of the community. They provide an opportunity for the members to socialize. It diverts the initiates' minds from the impending pain. The songs teach participants important moral values. Through singing and dancing, the members exercise their bodies. The songs encourage the initiates to face the challenge. It exposes those with leadership qualities. They are used to mark the various stages of initiation ceremonies. It is a form of prayer for the initiative. Singing and dancing is a form of entertainment. Reasons why witchcraft is feared in traditional African community. Witchcraft leads to death. It is the work of the evil spirits. It leads to poverty. It involves cheating. In some cases, people are forced to leave their homes. It can lead to breakup of families. A person can be banished. Witchcraft causes suspicion. It leads to underdevelopment. It can cause physical injury. It can cause embarrassment to an individual. It leads to breakup of families. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Remember, part 1 of this video was done yesterday. Kindly look at yesterday's video. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.